Bruh.
It looks like you've uploaded an image of the tutorial screen from the game Bee Swarm Simulator. How can I assist you with it? Starting off in Bee Swarm Simulator can be straightforward and fun. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Complete the tutorial. Follow the instructions in the tutorial, like the one in your screenshot. It introduces basic mechanics like collecting pollen and making honey. 2. Reaching the mid-game in Bee Swarm Simulator is all about building a stronger hive, unlocking better equipment, and tackling higher-level quests and challenges. Here's how to focus on mid-game progression. Task 1. Expand and strengthen your hive. Unlock more bees. Aim for 25 bees to unlock more areas like the Mountaintop Field and Coconut Cave. Focus on rare, epic, and legendary bees. Use royal jelly and star jelly to transform lower-tier bees into better ones. Prioritize bees with passive abilities like baby bee luck or carpenter bee pollen boost. Level up your bees. Feed treats to your bees to increase their levels. Higher level bees can collect more pollen and fight tougher mobs. 2. Upgrade your equipment. Tools. Purchase advanced tools like the spark staff or bubble wand, which are more efficient at collecting pollen. Backpacks. Upgrade to larger storage, e.g. the porta-hive or coconut canteen to reduce trips back to your hive. Amulets. Earn amulets, e.g. ant amulet, dill amulet, to boost stats like pollen collection, critical chance, and capacity. 3. Focus on NPC quests. Science Bear. Completing his quests gives you critical stats like conversion rate and bee energy. Polar Bear. His quests help boost your bee's energy and hive bonuses. Spirit Bear and Onette. Once unlocked, focus on their quests for advanced rewards. 4. Start farming for specific resources. Royal Jelly. Collect from dispensers, daily rewards, and mobs like King Beetle or Tunnel Bear. Tickets. Save tickets for items like Tabby Bee or Photon Bee, which are critical for late game. By focusing on these mid-game strategies, you'll be well on your way to reaching the late game. Would you like help with a specific aspect, such as defeating a boss or crafting advanced items? Choosing the best hive color in Bee Swarm Simulator depends on your playstyle, goals, and the current meta, which can shift with updates. Let's break down the strengths and purposes of white, red, blue, and purple mixed hives so you can make an informed decision. 1. White hive. Focus, balanced pollen gain. Key features. Specializes in white pollen fields like Coconut Field and Pumpkin Patch. Leverages bees and gear that support high pollen collection rates and critical hits. Best for mid to late game players, ant amulets, moon amulets, king beetle amulets, and diamond stick bug amulets to boost stats. 6. Craft resources. Start crafting items like glue, enzymes, and glitter for future upgrades. 6. Transitioning to late game.